Hi everyone. Today Google just launched their Gemini 3.1 model and I'm really excited about testing that one. Gemini models in general are really fast and they perform really well. So we'll see how they perform here. The problem that I picked today is a special one. What we are going to solve is a finite element modeling problem. You might have seen people use scheduling, people solve drawing constraint, and people doing bunch of documents and proposals using AI. But finite element modeling is a complex problem. It requires understanding of 3D and different constraints to solve the problem. The problem that I have in front of me is a construction of a 40-story reinforced concrete building. The structure has a central core of 600 thick, and it has some perimeter columns, and it's connected by a flat plate. We also given some material properties. We have given a construction sequence, and we have given the loading during construction. For the final analysis, we have to show displacement analysis. We also need to show creep and shrinkage analysis for the final answer. Let's start. I'm going to give this problem to the AI and then ask it to solve the problem. I also need a 3D model where I can see how it developed that structure so I can judge the answer really quick. And I also want to see the strain. I also want to see creep and displacement on this 3D model so I can see how it will behave. I have given it the problem, written a basic prompt, and I'm going to choose Gemini 3.1, which is the model that was just released. And here we go. So hopefully this thing is solving the problem. While it's reading the problem and it's trying to solve, I also want to show you the solution that I did a couple of days ago, and I use Claude's the most powerful model, Opus 4.6. It is the most powerful model. It's really costly, and it took me actually $5 to solve this problem. So let's look at that solution while this Gemini 3.1 tries to solve this problem. So I have marked it in the favorite, and let's go through the problem. I have given it the problem, likewise, the same problem. The Opus model gave me final engineering report on the assumptions it made, what calculation it did, what formulas it used, and how it came up with the solution. It developed a 3D model. I see some inconsistencies in the model what it developed. It has given me the stress redistribution curve. It has given me the deflection history. It has given me the strain development. And based on this, it has developed, I asked it to give me those analysis, the one it developed on 3D model. So it has shown those on the graphics, how the strains and stress will develop over time on this 3D model. And this is the power of AI agent, because you can see the mathematical analysis behind it. It did not hallucinate that solution. You can take this problem step by step. Any problem that you have, you can take it step by step. You can ask it to give you the mathematical formulation, and then you can check if those formulas and the formulation it created were correct or not. And then you can ask it to run those calculations and see the final results for yourself. This process of finite element modeling is really complicated and long one, and it can take days, hours, weeks sometimes to develop a simple models and test all the different scenarios. I could see a future where this could be fully replaced by AI agent. They are not there yet. There are some kinks and bugs, but at current stage 2, you can take some simple problems. You can help hand these AI agent into solving your problem. I haven't cut back while I started this problem. The AI agent has given me all the calculations, all the formulas behind its reasoning, and then it has developed this 3D model, which looks somewhat correct. I don't know the scale of this thing, so I cannot judge like what calculations, what is the stress or creep I'm seeing, but it shows something. Yeah, so this is it. I think there's a future where finite element modeling is going to be completely solved by AI agent, and then our role as engineers or modelers will be to check and make sure everything is correct.